Hi there, I'm Jasmine from Sound Business Systems, and if you're watching today it's because you want to find out what it's like to use Dragon Medical One. I'm also using the Power Mic mobile app. This acts like a microphone and allows me to speak live to my PC. It also has some nice hot buttons on it which allow me to use my Dragon better. I'll show you a couple of things now. Open Microsoft Word. Press Enter, insert consult, 20-year-old male. Open quote, I cut my finger while chopping peppers, close quote. Was chopping peppers in his kitchen at 1700 hours and cut right second digit, comma, dorsal distal aspect with knife, full stop. Area and knife were clean, full stop. Patient immediately ran finger under water for 1 minute and then applied pressure with a paper towel and was driven straight to ED, full stop. Not complaining of pain and says bleeding has stopped, full stop. Wonders if he needs stitches, full stop. No significant medical and or surgical HX, comma, no bleeding or immune disorders, full stop. Tetanus is up to date, full stop. None. Non-contributing. Non-smoker, comma, social ETOH, comma, no recreational drugs, comma, lives with girlfriend, full stop. Occupation, colon, medical. Vitals, colon, 120 over 80, comma, 75 beats per minute, comma, resting rate 15, comma, 37 degrees. Looks very well, comma, NAD, new line. Right second digit, colon, 1 centimetre laceration to distal dorsal aspect, comma, not actively bleeding, full stop. No foreign body appreciated on visual inspection, full stop. Sensation intact, colon, N over V intact, full stop. No tendon involvement, full stop. Wound edges easily come together, full stop. New line. Right hand, comma, other digits, colon, N over V intact, new line. Right wrist, comma, forearm, colon, normal exam, full stop. This seems a fairly superficial laceration distal to the DIP, and given that the wound edges are easily coming together, I will use a cyanoacrylate adhesive compound, open bracket, e.g. Dermabond, close bracket, select Dermabond, Dermabond. As I don't think sutures are necessary, full stop. Instructions, Dermabond. Just turn the microphone off. You see I did a little bit of a correction there as well. When you make these corrections, it actually trains your Dragon and makes it more accurate. But yeah, hopefully you can see how you can use step-by-step custom commands, insert templates and navigate these templates using the Power Mic mobile app. For more information, please visit our website, which is www.soundbusiness.co.nz.